Hey, it's David from Vacation Tracker here, and in this short tutorial, we're going to be showing you how you can request TOIL using only the Vacation Tracker app inside of Microsoft Teams. It's important to note that if you haven't already enabled a time off in your policy for at least one of your leave types, your users will not be able to request TOIL, so do be sure to have that set up before proceeding. Once you're inside your Microsoft Teams instance, you're going to find your Vacation Tracker app and start a chat with it. All you need to do is enter the command request TOIL. And once you hit enter and give it a few seconds, a box will appear where you can submit your request. You're going to choose the appropriate leave type, and then once you hit next, you're going to be prompted to select the days in which you've worked overtime. You're going to notice that there's also an additional box where you can give more context about your request. That way it makes it easier for your approver to give a response. Once you click on submit, the request will be sent to that approver for their approval, and once it is approved, it will be reflected in your balance. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you want to learn more about time off in Lieu, you can check out our help desk, which has tons of articles covering this topic in more depth. And if you run into any issues when submitting a TOIL request through Teams, you can always reach out to our support team either via a chat or by sending them an email.